G'day folks, it's Andy G. Today we're going to get you a business manager started. Also, we're going to look at what to do if you do get your ad account suspended. See you soon. G'day, it's Andy G. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at how to correctly set up a business manager. Now, why would you need to set up a business manager? One is because you should never advertise out of your own personal ad account. The reasons for doing so is exactly this. If you get your ad account banned or suspended, you're in an absolute nightmare of trying to get that account reignited so you can advertise again. So I'll say it again. Never advertise out of your personal ad account. Always set up a business manager. You are saving yourself one of the biggest nightmares of Facebook advertising. So today I'm going to take you through how to set up a business manager and a couple of other points that are vital to making sure that you're running a safe and sensible ad account. So if you are going to be advertising for yourself or for clients on Facebook, there are a few things you need to consider. One of the first points, don't roll your eyes, is you need to be able to read Facebook's advertising policies. This gives you 99.9% of the terms and conditions that if you don't follow these, you will end up with an ad account being banned or suspended. Now, the website for that is www.facebook.com/policies/ads. I would strongly suggest that you go through and read this. We're not going to go through all of their T's and C's today because that's your job to read them. Now, if you do end up with an ad account being suspended, you've got a nightmare of a fight on your hands. However, the next tool that I'm going to show you is the page www.facebook.com/Facebook ad support. Now this page, go and like it, gives you direct access to be able to talk to somebody in Facebook Messenger directly about your problem. Now, when you do click send message, it is going to prompt you, as soon as you type your message in, to go to a different page. Go to that page and fill out the information that they request and then scroll down the bottom and there will be an icon telling you what the delay time is to speak to somebody from Facebook. Now, if you are going to use this service and you are frustrated about you might have an ad getting disapproved or an ad account that's been banned and suspended, it is not the person who is talking to you's fault. So you need to be calm, calculated, and tell them what the problem is, and they will legitimately look into it. If they can't fix the problem, they will give you a case number and pass it on to somebody else. This way is the fastest way that I know to deal with problems with your ads or ad accounts being banned and suspended. If you are advertising out of your personal ad account and not a business manager, you need to stop doing it, okay? A business manager will give you multiple ad accounts that you can use, whereas your personal ad account, if that gets suspended, you only have the one. At least if you do get an ad account suspended in your business manager, you can either have other ad accounts that you can use or you can create other ad accounts that you can use. Now, when you do get an ad account suspended and it is your personal one, it is a nightmare. Avoid yourself that problem and let me show you how you get yourself your very own shiny and new business manager. Now this is where you make a business manager. Very simple. Log out completely of your personal Facebook account, and I mean your personal Facebook account. Log out of it. Then go to business.facebook.com. Once you're here, click create an account. It will prompt you to put in your login details for your Facebook page. Then it is going to prompt you to add your name, your phone number, and email address, what you're going to call your business. So if you've got a social media marketing agency, put that name in there and it will create you a business manager. Now the business manager will be accessible from your personal Facebook site. So rather than having the ad account, you will have your Facebook page, an ad account, and your business manager. I'll see you inside this because I've already created one. Great. So you've made it. You've finally got yourself a business manager. Now, how do you use it? What we're going to do is I'm going to talk you through the processes of setting up your business manager and how to integrate clients' accounts, or share your business manager with somebody else. First up, you should be on this page here where you can just modify it so that way it's a bit more personalized, throw your profile picture up, and then what we're going to do is we're going to actually dive in and start looking around. However, before we do that, I just want to show you how to get to your business manager from your Facebook page. Because your business manager is now attached to your Facebook page, you need to work out how is it that you get from your personal ad site into the platform so you can actually start advertising. Up on the right hand side, you'll see the little triangle. If you click down on the triangle, your business manager should now be set up under the title Business Manager. Alternatively, you can go to Manage Ads and click that, and that will switch you over to your ad account where you can navigate to your business manager. Another way of doing so is recently Facebook has added this Create page up the top, and if I click on that, I can click on Add. With that there, that will take me to my ads account, and from there I can navigate to my business manager. So I'm just going to click that. This will take me over to the ads manager. And now it's opened up my ads manager. You will see that this is my personal ad account, and like a foolish boy, when I first started, I was running ads inside my own personal account. I no longer do that. Anyhow, how do we get to our business manager from here? You have a couple of options. If you click up on your name, it will show your business manager under here and you can navigate to it from there. The other option is to come over on the left hand side and go up to the ads manager with the three icons, and just click down on that, come down to all tools, and you will see your business manager here. So to navigate to that, I just click on that button, and I've already got it opened over here, but it will open again. And now you're back on your front page of your business manager. To get inside your business manager, it's very simple. Just click on the right up here where you see business settings. Okay, so now we're inside your shiny new business manager. What we're going to do is we're going to do a bit of a navigation and show you around. Up the top left, we've got collapsible menus that run all the way down. When I click on one of these, it gives me the option to add people to my business manager. If I want other people working inside my business manager, I can share different assets to different people just by clicking add. If I click on add up here, it's invite people. Ask people to join your business by entering their email address, then assign their access and which accounts and tools they can use. So essentially, if Bad Baz was a friend of mine, I'd send Bad Baz an email and I could give him different access to different parts of my business manager. I might want him running some ads, or I might want to make him an admin on a page that either I own or a page that I'm an admin of. So that's people. Partners is a very important part to your business manager, because if you have a social media marketing agency and you have a client who has a business manager because you're going to set it up for them, then that way you would partner with them so you can manage their ads, their pixels, their categories and their audiences. Starting to make sense yet? Now we're on to pages. With pages, this is where I manage all of the pages that I own, and I also manage all of the pages that clients have given me access to as a moderator, an editor, or a page admin. If I want to bring in a new page, I just simply click Add, and I'm just going to run you through the options. Add a page. Your business already owns this page. So if you've just started your business manager and you have a page that is a business that you own personally, you would bring that business page into your business manager. Request access to a page. This is for the scenario where you might be running ads on somebody else's behalf and you would request access to bringing their page in. If you've been made an admin or an editor or a moderator on that page, you won't have to request access. As soon as you put the page in, it will automatically come over because you've already been granted permissions. Creating a new page is really simple. It's for creating a brand new page for your business. The next part is ad accounts. Ad accounts is where you bring in all of the ad accounts for your clients or for your personal business, and where you can bring in your own personal ad account into your business manager so you can actually safely start advertising out of it. If I want to bring in an ad account, it's very similar to Pages. I would add an ad account. Your business will control campaigns and billing for this ad account. Claiming an ad account moves it into your business manager. So if you did have your own business and you were advertising out of your personal account, you would bring the page of your business in under Pages, and then you would bring in your personal ad account, making it safe for you to advertise in. If you get an account suspended, you can open up a new ad account. Request access to an ad account is if you're requesting access to one of your clients' ad accounts so you have share rolled on it, so that way you can run their advertising and they can still see it inside their business manager, which you set up for them, and they can monitor the activity as well as you can. Creating new ad account would be if you're starting a new business and you need a new ad account so that way you can run ads for your new business. Okay, so with creating a new ad account, because you're in a new business manager, I've seen the option that Facebook will allow you to have 3 or 4 ad accounts in your new business manager for you to use. Now, if you do require more business accounts, I've contacted Facebook and they've told me that the rule is that if you've got 3 or 4, you must have all of those ad accounts active for at least a week. So every single one of those ad accounts have ads inside them, advertising and spending money on the Facebook platform. Then you can go back to Facebook, the ad support that I showed you, that Facebook page, contact them by chat and request more accounts. And I've heard that Facebook will allow you to have hundreds of new accounts should you be in that situation. So always try and get as many ad accounts as you possibly can, but like I said, Facebook will only allow you more ad accounts if the current ones you have are actively being used and having money spent on the ad platform. So we're going to take a step back and I want to cover off partners. When we go back to partners, any client you set a business manager up for may need assistance. So 9 times out of 10, you've got to sit there and walk them through how to set up their business manager. Once their business manager has their Facebook page, their ad account, their pixels and everything in it, you need access to those so that you can do their advertising. Now, how do you do that? Imagine you're sitting here now looking at your client's business manager, not yours. You would go add, and then under here it would say add a new partner. All you do is you take your business manager ID, which I'll show you where that is shortly, and you punch that number into here and click next. By clicking next, you're giving yourself authority to be able to access your client's Facebook page, pixel, ad account, and any other assets you send through at the same time. What this does is it now gives you and your client shared access to all of those assets so that you can be off-site, at home, out on holiday, and you can still run advertising for your client out of their ad account. They can still go into their ad account and have a look at the progress, and they can still access all of their own assets also. Now I'm going to show you how to find your business manager ID. You can always find your business manager ID at the end of your URL. It will say business_ID equals, and you will have your business ID up the top. Alternatively, you can come down to business info down the bottom and you will see your business manager's name and your ID. I strongly suggest putting that into your phone under business manager ID so you always have it, so even if you don't have your laptop open and you're helping a client, you can still punch that number in to send yourself access. Right, so let's go back to ad account. When you're in an ad account, you can select any one that you want. I'm going to select this one here, and then all I do is click open in Ads Manager. So now you're in your Ads Manager and you're advertising under your Business Manager, which is the way Facebook advertising needs to be done. If you need to change to other clients' accounts, you now have a drop-down menu here that you can scroll down and access your other accounts. How do you get back to your personal Facebook page? Just go up to the top here and then select Go to Personal Newsfeed. So if you've got any more questions about your business manager or Facebook marketing in general, feel free to join my group. You'll find it in the link below, or you can leave me a comment because I answer every single comment back personally. Or if you are looking at Facebook advertising more, make sure you check out my video on the A to Z of getting your first ad up on Facebook, plus some strategies that I throw in there to help you get your first sale or first result. Take care.